Hello everyone, I hope everyone's having a good Saturday. I just got back from Tractor Supply. I got Annabelle a beautiful hairbrush because she's the queen. I also brought the chickens some fresh water over. I brought them some shrimp I just bought them and some scratch. And Annabelle likes to eat a little bit of this scratch because it has oats in it. Right, baby? I hear you, Rooster. What are you up to? I brought you a little surprise. Hey, sweetheart. How are you? I saw some cute little baby chicks today. I started to get some, but I think we're going to hatch some of our own, right? I may go back and get some ducks if they get some more in, or try to find some ducks somewhere. That'd be cool, right, Sonny? Come on, guys. Let's get in the trampoline run. Because I need to change y'all's water. I need to gather eggs. Hey, goat. Hey, goat. I put you some on your... Hey, let me have my bucket back. Here, come on. Before we get it, I'll show you where I put yours. Here. There. Okay. Let's go give the chicken some scratch. Come on, Rooster. Come on, guys. Come on. Rooster, you wouldn't try to peck someone's toes, would you? Goodness gracious. Okay, let me put some more around in the chicken lot. Okay, let's try some river shrimp, Sonny. Give Bunny some. Hey, Rooster, calm down. It's rent day, buddy. So there was 14 eggs. That's really, really good. I love gathering eggs, guys. It just amazes me how a chicken could produce eggs like that. It only takes like 24 to 36 hours for a chicken to produce an egg. Girl, you want to try out your new hairbrush? This hairbrush is for goat divas. Try it out? Hmm? Look. Pretty brush for a pretty girl. See, yeah, it's working good. It's easier to hold than that little small one. Like it? Yeah. To go back to Tractor Supply and get her that bug spray. I was going to get it and forgot. It's a good brush, Annabelle. A lot easier to brush here, a lot quicker. Pretty girl. Well, guys, I've been hanging out over here at the Funny Farm for quite a while. I'm going to go home and get me something to drink. It's hot and I'm thirsty. Sometime this weekend, I'm going to move the chickens' trampoline run into a grassy area. And also, I'm going to be trimming Annabelle's goat hooves. I don't know if I'll be able to video that because I really need to concentrate on what I'm doing since it'll be the first time trimming hooves. But I'm very confident that we can do it, right? We got to know how to do it. Girl got to take care of her feet. Bye, guys. Stay safe. Say peace, Annabelle. Peace, guys. Oh, so sweet.